Hi guys, I have some really exciting news. I am teaming up with some wonderfully creative and talented DIYers and bringing to you a collaboration that has not been done before. The name of our collaboration is called For the Boys. That's right, For the Boys. This team of collaborators is headed by Elizabeth of Dandy Soap DIY and includes Pat of Pat's Home Craft, Marika of Marika's Creations, Nadia of DIY with Nadia, Mom Does of Mom Does Life Handmade, Susan of Susan Gazaway DIY, and Elena of Elena Jenkins DIY. This collaboration will air on Friday, August the 7th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. We will have wonderful craft and DIY ideas helping to inspire you in creating some wonderful gifts for the boys in your life. So set your calendars and your timers for this really cool collaboration. I hope to see you there, but until then, this is Pat saying, thanks for stopping by and have a great day.